In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a secret world of insects is exploding with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs. For centuries, scientists have been fascinated by the tiny creatures that call the Amazon home. This region is home to an estimated 2.5 million species of insects, with only about 10% having been discovered. One of the most remarkable insects in the Amazon is the bullet ant, with its powerful venom that can knock a man off his feet. But that's not the strangest part. The Amazon is also home to a species of fungus that turns ants into zombies. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of knowledge. That's what scientists have discovered in the Amazon's vast array of plant species. The Amazon is like a supercomputer, processing information and supporting life in ways that scientists are still trying to understand. But wait until you hear what comes next. The Amazon's secrets are being unlocked by a team of brave researchers. Scientists have been trekking into the heart of the Amazon to uncover the mysteries of the rainforest's incredible diversity. From the towering canopy to the forest floor, the Amazon is a world of extremes, where life and death walk hand in hand. This phenomenon occurs when the rainforest's delicate balance is disrupted, with devastating consequences for the ecosystem. The Amazon's importance extends far beyond its borders, with its effects felt across the globe through the atmosphere and oceans. In the Amazon, scientists have discovered a species of plant that can survive without water, thriving in the harsh conditions. And then something unexpected happened. A team of researchers stumbled upon a hidden clearing deep in the Amazon, teeming with life. As they explored the clearing, they realized that this was no ordinary ecosystem. It was a garden of sorts, tended by a team of ants. The ants in this garden are unlike any others, working together to create a complex network of tunnels and chambers. It's like a tiny, intricate city, with its own infrastructure and rules, all managed by these incredible ants. But the Amazon's secrets don't stop there. Scientists have also discovered a species of fish that can survive in the oxygen-poor waters. The Amazon's biodiversity is so great that scientists have estimated it could hold the key to discovering new medicines. In the Amazon, scientists have uncovered a species of tree that can live for over 1,000 years, with secrets to share about longevity. This phenomenon occurs when the tree's cells are able to adapt to the changing environment, allowing it to thrive. The Amazon's ancient trees are like living, breathing entities, with their own stories to tell and secrets to share. But the Amazon story doesn't end there. It's a tale of hope and resilience, as the ecosystem continues to adapt and thrive. For centuries, the Amazon has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and scientists alike. The Amazon's secrets are slowly being unlocked, with each new discovery shedding light on the incredible diversity of life. As we explore the Amazon, we're reminded of the importance of preserving this incredible ecosystem for future generations. In the Amazon, we find a world of wonder and awe, where the boundaries between life and death are blurred. The Amazon story is one of incredible resilience, as the ecosystem continues to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. As we learn more about the Amazon, we're reminded of our responsibility to protect this incredible resource. The Amazon's secrets are waiting to be unlocked, and it's up to us to preserve this incredible ecosystem for future generations. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the Amazon rainforest and uncover its secrets.